Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to downgrade your macOS Sequoia so that you'll be able to get it to Sonoma. So it's pretty simple. So the first simple steps you can actually do is backing up your machine or your actual MacBook right here in Time Machine. So you want to do that with an actual external hard drive. So you want to connect the SSD or USB into your MacBook so that you'll be able to back it up to a Time Machine. So this is just gonna be your backup, a physical backup. Next is once we go back there, you want to boot it to a bootable system right here. So you want to boot it into your recovery mode basically. And from there, it's going to give you Macintosh and then options. You want to go into options right here. And then from there, you want to actually reinstall macOS Monterey right here. Or you can go down to, actually you can go down to Sonoma depending on the device you have. So once you choose the certain OS that you want, you can, once it already installed, so in Sonoma or Monterey, you will want to restore your data from the Time Machine so that it's going to be good as new and you have downgraded basically. So if there's any type of problems that are going to occur, you want to go use this disk utility right here so that you'll be able to repair or erase a disk using your disk utility. Or you can actually go ahead and wipe everything out here in your actual MacBook and then reinstall. Or if you have a different drive that has the macOS Monterey or your Sonoma, you can actually go ahead and plug that in into your own macOS or MacBooks and then restore it from there, and then you'll be able to continue and use it as Sonoma from there, from booting it up, of course, if you don't have any valuable data here in your MacBook. So there you go, guys. Those are the things you can do so that you can downgrade to macOS Sequoia to Sonoma.